Greetings, I'm Randy 2.0 of Oinki Do Academy. Today I'm here with Mr. Jason and we're going to show you how to do a science experiment. How old are you, Mr. Jason?
10.
10? So you're in 10th grade then?
No.
No? What grade are you in?
5th grade.
5th grade? Would you get off to a slow start?
Oh.
Is that a normal grade for your age?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So you didn't fail rolling over or something like that?
No.
No? I'm going to teach you how to turn this purple cabbage into a variety of colors. Okay?
Yeah.
Cabbage can also be red or blue depending on the soil in which it grows. Peel or cut about 100 grams of cabbage for every 1 liter of water. Boil and stir until the cabbage becomes a translucent green color. Then collect the cabbage juice.
Now that we got the purple cabbage juice cooked, we've poured it into 7 beakers. You can use 7 cups. The key here is that we want to make it translucent enough to see the color changes. And with this, we can hopefully make 7 distinct colors by adding different acids and bases to the solutions. Okay, so first thing we will add is vinegar. And this is basically acetic acid juice, which is the thing that makes vinegar have its sour taste. All right, so go ahead and pour in the acetic acid solution into the first one, and we'll see what color we get.
All?
I think so, yeah. You might not need it all. Well, you can already see it. That's probably enough there. Now take a chopstick and stir that around to make sure it's mixed well. So you can see acetic acid turns it kind of a bright red color. All right, looking good. So why don't you put that chopstick down. Okay. Now we should be able to use just a little bit of acetic acid to get a reddish purple color. Remember that this one, these are all the natural purple color of just neutral water. Okay, so for this one I want you to just take a pipette and just add maybe a squirt of acetic acid. There you go. Squirt that in and then stir it around. And we'll see what color we get. Hopefully it's not too red. Oh, that looks great. So now we have a nice reddish purple. Okay, and set that down. Now we'll just leave the purple as it is. So that's neutral. Now the most difficult one to get is a blue color. And to do that, we're going to add a little bit of baking soda solution. And you don't need very much because the blue color is very close to the same pH as purple. Okay, so take a pipette. Maybe one you haven't used. And let's go into this solution here. And this one, you probably don't even want to squirt the whole thing in. Just add a few drops at a time, and I'll help you stir and see what color we get. Because it's very easy to go past blue and end up with turquoise. Okay, I think it's getting a little bit more blue. All right, that looks blue to me. Okay. So we stop there for a moment. We can maybe adjust it later. Okay, now the next one we want to get is turquoise color. That one needs a stronger alkali, so let's add more baking soda. For this one, you can probably squirt in the whole thing. Oh, no, into this one. Okay, and let's stir that, see what we get. Still looking pretty blue. How about we blast it again with some more baking soda solution? See if we can get turquoise. Kind of looks similar to the last one. Okay, that's actually a very nice blue there. Actually, that one kind of looks better than the blue that we had, maybe. All right, let's hit it again. I think we still want to get it a little bit more greenish looking. Yeah, it's definitely becoming more turquoise at this point. Okay, how about we add a few drops to this blue one? It still looks a little bit purplish to me. Okay. Now, to get a stronger green, turquoise is about as far as we can get with just baking soda solution. In order to get a more distinct green, we need to get a stronger alkali. So we're going to switch over to sodium carbonate, which is kind of like laundry detergent. Okay, so let's blast that. And you can just probably blast the whole thing in. Okay, looking good. Oh yeah, we have a very nice green on that one. Now, this will eventually turn yellow over time, but it's kind of a slow process. So if you want yellow right away, you need to have a stronger alkali. I'll help you with this one. So we're going to put in some sodium hydroxide, and that probably will take about 30 seconds or so to change to yellow. Okay, now we have created 7 distinct colors, which look very lovely. What do you think, Jason? Are you happy with the colors you made?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, we're back, and now you notice that we have all clear solutions. That's because Mr. Jason wants to take a shot at changing all the colors in one fell swoop. So what we've done is match the pH levels that we had before for the various colors that we had. This is the moment of truth, Jason. What do you think the chances are of your success? Do you think you got them all right? Do you think we're going to get the 7 colors we had before or something close?
Yeah.
Yeah? You think you're feeling confident, huh? All right. Are you ready to pour? All right, let's do it. So you just want to pour some in each one until you get up to about the 250 there. Okay, go ahead. Okay, looking good so far. You got red. That one looks reddish purple. And that's just neutral water, so that should be purple. And that's a good looking blue. Turquoise looks great. Even better than the one we had before. A nice green. Still got some left. All right. And this one usually takes a minute. It's okay. All right. You can tell that one's a little bit more yellow. But usually that one takes a few seconds to completely turn yellow. I think you did it. I think it's a pretty good job there, Mr. Jason. You got all of the pHs right, and you have 7 distinct colors. And so what you can do if you want to make a TikTok video or Instagram video, you don't even need to be in the video. You can just create them ahead of time and then just pour right over the top. They maybe just see your hand going by. Okay? All right. Thank you very much. It's it, and that's that. We'll see you in the future.
Take the Oinki Do Academy animated video-based color changing cabbage course to learn in-depth science about acid and alkali reactions, molecules and moles, the pH scale, color changing pigments, and additional techniques for creating colorful cabbage juice.